If you need to connect to someone remotely or let support access your device, the first thing you need is your AnyDesk ID. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to find it in just a few seconds. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open the AnyDesk application on your device. You can find it on your desktop, in your app drawer, or by searching for AnyDesk in your computer's search bar. Once the app opens, you'll land on the main screen. Now look at the central pane on your screen or check the top left corner. You should see a section labeled your address or sometimes this desk. Right underneath that label, you'll see a 9 or 10-digit number. That number is your AnyDesk ID. This ID is what you give to another person so they can connect to your device. So make sure you share it carefully and only with someone you trust. If you're helping someone else, you can tell them to open AnyDesk and follow the same steps to find their own ID. Once you have the number, you're all set. That's how you know your AnyDesk ID in AnyDesk quickly and easily. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.